Hey y'all, this is a Russian M44 carbine. It's the baby version of the Mosin Nagant 9130. Fires the same rounds, just shorter. Got a spike bayonet on it, right? What this video is about is how to properly work a bolt on a bolt action rifle. Most people in the world, okay, you see it's empty, right? After they fire, they bring this rifle down, work the bolt. Incorrect. That is slow. It takes a long time to reacquire your target. The best way to do that, after you pull the trigger, right there, faster follow-up shots, more accurate. It just takes a little practice. And not every bolt action rifle is exactly the same. Um, whatever one you have, practice with it. You'll be surprised at how much faster you reacquire your target and are able to squeeze the trigger. So that's all I had. But till next time, I'm Mott Victoria Curum. Stay safe out there.